What's happening, self-helpers? And
What's
welcome
up?
to Self-Help Yourself, the one and only.
BeerBiceps.
Yes.
What's happening?
So, it's Vikram here, your coach to becoming the best version of yourself. And one thing that has always troubled me is how do you start and how do you maintain a healthy lifestyle lifelong and not get affected by your own mentality, your own mindset, and what others say. So Ranveer is going to share 3 tips with us today on how you can just get started and keep going on this journey, because it's a lifelong journey and it's important to understand that. So Ranveer, over to you. Can you tell me 3 tips on how you can achieve this?
So, number 1 tip throughout your life, just avoid one thing, and that's desserts. If you can avoid dessert, that's half the fitness battle. 1, you don't need to worry about anything. Eat other kinds of junk food. Which brings me to tip number 2, balance it out. Don't be that person who's just boring about fitness. Have 2 or 3 cheat meals in a week. Have fun once in a while. Go out, drink a little bit. Keep yourself motivated, because if you stay fit, forever, if you just try following eating diet food, exercising every day, it gets boring. You need to balance out. You need to have a little bit of fun to keep yourself motivated. Which brings me to the 3rd point. Don't do it for any goal like 6 packs or big shoulders. Do it because that process is helping you mentally. It's helping your brain develop. It's giving you discipline. What they say that kids should, follow martial arts for discipline. I feel like the process of having a fit lifestyle gives you much more discipline. So even if it's something as simple as going out for a walk every day, just keep your body active a little bit every single day. Easy 3 tips.
Yeah, and one thing that I want to add to that is, if you're thinking about these fancy words like diet and nutrition, always think nutrition, because diet always implies something that is short term.
Yeah.
And nutrition implies something that is going to be lifelong.
Yeah. Long-term changes.
So the words you use, the way you think, really, really matters, and it all comes down to psychology at the end of the day, right?
100%.
Yeah. So guys, it's really important to empower your mindset first.
Yeah, 100%.
So anything that you have to share with us on regarding creating that mindset, or what is that one thing that made you choose this life for yourself?
So I definitely feel that if you have a fitness lifestyle, it sets you up for the rest of your life. Like if you have some kind of fitness activity, which can even be a sport. If you just play a sport regularly, that's fitness, okay? So have one activity like that in your life. Even if it's just going out for a walk with your dog, that's all right. But the other big thing that I've discovered recently in my life is meditation. Something that every young person should take up, because it gives you a lot of clarity on life. Those are my only 2 tips. Have a physical fitness life and a mental fitness life.
Yeah, thanks Ranveer.
You're welcome.
I'll leave a link to BeerBiceps down in the description box below, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe to Self-Help Yourself and BeerBiceps, because those guys are doing really, really well, and we want every one of you to achieve something in your life.
Become the best version of yourself.
Exactly. Couldn't have said it better myself.
Okay.
Thanks.
Anytime, bro. I hope it was okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we're still rolling.
Oh, yeah. See ya.